Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing recruiting basics with Richard Murphy. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The latest network marketing training tips for beginners. The network marketing industry has created a lot of lucrative opportunities for people to start off their new businesses. However, the details of getting into network marketing require proper networking training tips for beginners to be able to get into the industry. When you have a small business or a limited budget to start up with, this can become an overwhelming prospect. The first thing that you need to understand is that network marketing recruiting tips for beginners are very simple. These network marketing recruiting tips for beginners are based on the fact that when you get started in network marketing, it is easier to find your own niche market. So you need to find your own niche. Therefore, if you are not finding your niche yet, you need to go back to the basics. The basic network marketing recruiting tips for beginners are to find out who is your customers and get to know about their goals. Understand the needs of your customers and focus on satisfying them. Always remember that there are two different types of customers, one that likes the product and the other that just wants to make profits from the same product. The first type of customer is your product, the second is the customer that makes money from the product. They are your first two network marketing recruiting tips for beginners. In order to fulfill the needs of your customers, make sure that you give them a reason to buy your product. These marketing tips for beginners also include the two basic strategies to get started with network marketing. The first one is to find your niche. Find out who is your target market and show them that you are the right product for them. Then show them how your product will make their lives easier and make their life better. The second one is search engine optimization. It is the use of the web to promote your product and the right keywords to get in front of the people who are searching for the product. This is the second network marketing recruiting tips for beginners that you need to master. There are some things you can learn from these marketing tips for beginners. Let's discuss what you need to learn about these concepts in the following paragraphs. The first one is how to attract customers with your website. You need to know how to create an online marketing campaign that will generate leads. The next step of network marketing recruiting tips for beginners is to hire the right website creation companies that will help you in making a website that will attract leads and customers to your website. Secondly, you need to focus on your marketing campaign and on what you need to do to make your business stronger. You need to follow the proper network marketing recruiting tips for beginners to ensure that you do not fall off the marketing ladder and come to a complete stop with your business. The third network marketing recruiting tips for beginners would be to build your reputation and to stick to your own business. The final network marketing recruiting tips for beginners will be to work on the principles of your marketing training tips. Remember that these marketing tips for beginners are easy and you will be able to start off with your own network marketing training tips for beginners. Once you get the hang of it, you will be ready to take on the challenges of network marketing. Network Marketing Training 101. Network marketing training is one of the most important things you can do to become a successful businessperson. In order to understand what's involved, you must first understand network marketing and how it works. The first thing you must do is get to know yourself so that you will understand exactly what you want to do with your network marketing education. Network marketing is a type of investment banking service wherein companies with sales quotas get access to big-name investment banks like Goldman Sachs. The banks, in turn, pay commissions on your sales to the company, in exchange for you representing them. This is an easy way to make money fast, as long as you find a reputable company that can give you actual work. They will provide you with a portfolio and a starter package in which you'll sign up for. The rest of the requirements will be taken care of by the company. The basic network marketing training is to educate you on how you should go about looking for clients and working with these corporations. At the same time, you must understand that it will be difficult to start your own business. Because there are other people who already have a business, and the market for their product is pretty small. Network marketing, however, can be very profitable if you are able to attract enough customers. One of the secrets to network marketing recruiting is to remain connected to your family and friends in all ways possible. You may get attracted to some people you met while you were getting your training. But it is important to maintain your friendships in order to be effective. If you get a commission from a client that you don't need, you will not have enough money to support your family, so you can lose your entire family. It is best to stay with your old friends. A college degree in business can be very helpful if you are starting a network marketing business. You need to show that you are a capable negotiator and take advantage of your position as a business person. However, remember that the more money you get in, the more risk you will be taking in your personal life. Another secret of network marketing recruiting is to acquire all the knowledge you can on marketing to as many people as possible. This means looking for people who have a sense of humor, and people who appreciate what you have to offer. People who recognize your unique selling proposition will be impressed by what you have to offer, and you will receive more referrals. There are many ways to get started in a new business, but remember that you must be very careful when entering into a situation where you may need to close a deal. One mistake could result in your inability to get more money in, so it is very important to learn this as much as you can. It is important to be clear about what your main motives are so that you can concentrate on the details and let the big picture come to you. The most important thing you need to do when learning network marketing recruiting tips for beginners is to use your intuition. You must be able to tell when someone is trying to con you and run off. You must never be emotional about any negotiation because your credibility will be at stake. In order to successfully do this, you must also use your other traits, such as your strategic thinking and quick ways, and also your creative side. In order to grow as a network marketing recruiter, you must learn about these qualities and apply them to the different types of work that you do. People are often skeptical of making a high-paying product, but with enough time and effort, anyone can learn this skill. Be patient, be persistent, be willing to learn. And learn the language of the marketplace in order to effectively market the right products and services to the right audience, and you will see the results. Network Marketing Tips for Beginners by Richard Murphy. If you are interested in network marketing, then you have to start by learning the basic network marketing recruiting tips for beginners by Richard Murphy. Although some people might claim that they have all the information on how to do network marketing, few have actually the knowledge about the process of network marketing, making you question if you have the right knowledge on network marketing and you still need some training. While this might be a common issue, most people have the confidence to handle the network marketing business, and as such, they think that they can handle everything. This video has been put up for Network Marketing Recruiting Basics with Richard Murphy. In it, you will learn the Network Marketing Recruiting Basics for Beginners by Richard Murphy. You will find a lot of information on this subject by him because he has so much experience in network marketing. He can give you a complete picture of the information and the guidance you will need to learn about network marketing. This video is one of those articles that will teach you the basic knowledge about network marketing. The first thing that you will learn in the interview process of network marketing. The Network Marketing Tips for Beginners by Richard Murphy covers some basic and simple methods that you need to do to apply for the network marketing positions. There are two main questions which you need to learn. Firstly, the basic information about network marketing. They are a marketing plan and a business plan. This is the one that will help you in understanding the organization and the distribution of the resources. This information will guide you to know about your own market niche and if you can make it work in your favor. The second basic information you need to know about network marketing is the business plan. This is the initial and basic plan of the business. It is based on the requirements, forecasts and the goal which you will achieve. The Network Marketing Tips for Beginners by Richard Murphy will teach you how to analyze the business, measure the number of resources and assign a budget to it. You will get more detail with the skills that you need to do network marketing. When you are planning on network marketing, you should have certain questions in mind. These questions will guide you to evaluate your progress and the progress of your competitors. This will give you an idea of your potential of being successful. It will also make you become more dedicated and focused on your business. The next step on Network Marketing Recruiting Tips for Beginners by Richard Murphy is the rating system. It is based on the assessment and the evaluation of the network marketing company. It will give you a direction about the company and you will be able to judge whether the company is good or not. Now you will learn about the various items that you need to do before you can start network marketing. First is the contact list, which is the list of names of the members of the network marketing company. The contact list will include the name, the mailing address, and the email address of the members. There are many ways in which you can get the contact list from the company. You can ask the members directly or you can ask them through the company. The most important thing in network marketing is to build relationships. This will allow you to build better business connections. All the tips and techniques that you learned from network marketing will help you get the greatest success in your network marketing business. It will also give you the right guidance on how to move forward and succeed in network marketing. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing recruiting basics with Richard Murphy. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.